Todd from Diamond-International Trucks in Edmonton, Alberta. This particular facility is at our West Edmonton location and is ready for immediate delivery. This is a 2019 International HX 620 6x4 Daycab tractor. It's equipped with a Cummins iX15 485 horsepower. This unit comes with a chrome front bumper as well as the dual outside air cleaners and the stainless steel sun visor. It has aluminum front rims and it does have true dual exhaust, which you cannot get anymore on new orders. It's got dual fuel tanks, 80 gallons, and it's got aluminum rims on the back as well. It's got 46,000 pound rear axle Meritor, as well as Hendrickson 46,000 pound air ride suspension. Equipped with a Holland fifth wheel, and these are 20,000 pound front axles. This is a perfect truck for a low bed, an end dump, or a belly dump application. There's lots of room at the back of the cab for a headache rack and a frame mounted hydraulic tank. It's got some frame space. Nicely equipped unit. It's available for immediate delivery here at Diamond International. It is an Eaton Fuller Ultra Shift automated manual 18 speed. Makes it simple to drive. You don't find them this well equipped very often. It's got a lot of nice features. If you would like to see the specs on this particular truck, you can send me a email message to thist@dit.ca, and I will send you the specifications. Or if you'd like to review this truck in person, call me at 780-977-8221, and I can set up an appointment to deliver the truck to your facility, and can leave it with you for a couple days to review it. This is a nice unit. I'm surprised it's still in inventory. With long lead times for new units, this particular truck will not last very long, and it certainly can have Sourcewell contract pricing attached to it. So if you want to do a Sourcewell contract, get in touch with me at my email address and I can send you out the pricing. Thank you very much.